2D animation is dominating shorts. Not because it's fancy, but because it's simple and repeatable. AI makes 2D animation faster than ever, right? Especially Animaker. In this video, I will show you how to create viral 2D animation shorts using AI, step by step, even if you've never animated anything in your life. Okay, so why 2D animation works so well on shorts? 2D animation removes identity pressure, focuses in attention, simplifies emotion. Viewers don't judge the creator, they watch the story. Here's an insight: animation lowers resistance. Okay, now viral 2D animation short format. So let's go and generate an AI animation using Animaker. Right. High performance format: visual metaphors, relatable struggles, transformation loops, silent storytelling. Avoid dialogue heavy scenes, complex backgrounds, long setups. Rule: movement must serve meaning. So let me change the language here to English. All right, after we change it up to English, now what we're gonna do, write one sentence idea. So let's select an idea here. Explainer. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a prompt: create 60-second animated cartoon style safety explainer video for office workers with a friendly tone and clear on-screen captions. Include upbeat background music. All right, write one sentence idea, generate simple characters, animate basic motion, captions, loop the ending. Okay, so let's say I want to generate this idea. Okay, they will analyze the prompt and simple hack: one character, one emotion, one action. You don't need to do a lot. Okay, just one idea suffice. Right, so 2D vector, right, as we mentioned, video duration 60 seconds, horizontal, voiceover male or female, captions, enable captions, background music enable, and the language should be in English. Right, and then what you're gonna do, hit upgrade to get started. Right, so let's say I'm gonna use the basic one here. Enable background music. Right, also use the 2.0. Right, I'm gonna use female background music, English. Right, and proceed to next. Right, as for the captions, unfortunately you have to upgrade so you can access the captions features. Okay, so now bad animation would be constant movement on no pauses. Good animation, short still movement, or short still moment, slow reveals, intentional motion. Pro tip: pauses increase retention. Okay, so if you want to scale the 2D animation shorts, once something works, don't improve it, repeat it, vary the message. Here's the truth: virality comes from repetition, not originality. Okay, so now while you wait for the prompt to be generated, we're gonna just wrap this up. AI didn't make animation easier, it made consistency possible. While you wait, your video will be ready within few minutes. Okay, you can apply this to any example in your own field or niche. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.